Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to remove and replace the front wiper blades. This video should apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now both the driver and passenger side wiper blade will be 28-inch, so they are completely the same, and these are the ones I got, ViewMax. Now the first thing when replacing the wiper blades, you have to figure out what type of wiper arm you have, because there's a couple of different options. You can see there is a D-lock top, there is the narrow top lock, there is a top lock, pinch tab, J-hooks, bunch of different options. So first thing, you have to remove the old wiper and see what kind of wiper arm you have, and then you can, based on these schematics here, the pictures, you can figure out what type of adapter you have to use, because usually the aftermarket wiper blades will come with a bunch of different adapters. Okay, now I just removed the old wiper blade, and this is the type of wiper arm we have. Now we just have to find the right adapter and install the new blade. Okay, now I just opened this box, and there was also a small manual inside. Now sometimes they come with a manual, sometimes not. Like I said, if there is no manual, then you will just use these pictures on the side of the box. It's pretty much the same thing. And now, based on what I've seen, this is the one the Ford Edge has, the pinch tab. And now we have to find the right adapter for it. This is the adapter we have to use, and this one is not attached to the wiper blade. Different adapter is on it, so that's why I said we have to first figure out type of the arm. And the first thing to do is remove this adapter from the wiper blades. Now to do this, you want to pull it straight up, and I might have to use both of my hands because I don't want to break it. And once I do that, I will continue this video. Okay, so I got it off. Like I said, you just pull it straight up, but you want to use both of your hands. If you pull to the side or stuff like that, you might break something, and then you will have to throw this wiper blade away. And once this is removed, you have to install the other one on top of it. Now you want to pay attention to the arrows. You see there is one arrow pointing here, and there is the arrow pointing here as well. So that means this will go in this direction, and you just want to push it on. You'll hear a click, and that's it. And now the next step, if you follow this manual here, is remove two pieces from this adapter we just installed. There is one black piece on top, so this is this one, and there's supposed to be one more gray just under it. So I will start by unlocking this adapter by pressing onto this tab and then pulling this to the side. This should unlock this adapter. Now I can just remove the top cover off it, and this is garbage. We don't need this anymore. And this is the other piece, so we have to remove this one as well to be able to install this wiper blade. This is one side and the other side. This is a bit hard to work with one hand, to be honest. Changing wiper blade is a two-hand job, but whatever. Okay, and this is off as well, and now this wiper blade is ready to be installed to our wiper arm. Now I will proceed outside to show you how just to attach it and lock it in place. Also, I want to say most of these adapters look kind of similar depending on the aftermarket brand of the wiper blades you are using, right? They're not all the same, but always you have to find the manual and just follow it. But this is the idea, right? First figure out type of wiper arm, and then just attach the right adapter and attach it to the wiper arm. I will try to record this. It's kind of getting dark outside, so all you have to do is push this adapter with the blade into the this arm, and you see this small black pin has to be behind this, like a small ear on the wiper arm. You want to do that, push it, and then slide this top locking mechanism down. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, I'm not sure if you were able to see how I did it, and it's quite hard to do it with one hand, to be honest. But yeah, I will show you again. I will try to zoom in actually and turn on the flash. You see, this is what holds it in place, and then you just lock it here with this top cover. So yeah, that's how you do it. And once you're done, make sure to remove also this protector from the blade. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.